What is a capsule wardrobe? Basically, it's a lazy man's dream. Just kidding, but no, really. Hey guys, welcome to another video by yours truly, Delaya B. If you're new here, I am a Los Angeles-based fashion designer for minimalistic women with an edgy vibe and an eye for detail. I like to dress those who like to subtly stand out. Now, if you want to know what it's like to be a fashion designer, how clothes are made, or how to take your passion to design your best life, you should probably hit that subscribe button right now. Also, hit the bell so you can get notified on whenever I post a video. Who knows when that'll be. No, just kidding. It's every week. As a part of my DIY capsule challenge, today we're going to discuss what a capsule wardrobe is, and I'm going to give you tips on how you can create one. So what is a capsule wardrobe? It's a limited amount of clothing that is interchangeable between outfits. So you can create a look for a date night, an interview, going out to lunch, whatever type of outfit you need to create. The capsule wardrobe will have those components in it. You just rearrange a jacket here or a sweater there and you got your look. So before you go out and purchase all these things to create a capsule wardrobe, there are certain things you have to consider. There's certain things you should consider before you just go spend your money all willy-nilly, which is basically a life lesson, but okay, whatever. The first thing you should consider before you go shopping is your color palette. Everything is supposed to coordinate together, so you want to make sure that you have a clear color palette so you know when you go shopping what you can and can't pick up. Like if I have a color palette of purple and like a neutral tannish color, I'm not going to go to the store and pick up something hot pink because it's not going to coordinate with each other. So make sure you have your color palette before you go. As for me in the DIY challenge, my color palette is basically going to be black and white because that's simple. No, it's going to be black and white with some gray and red because red is my power color. The next thing you want to consider is the type of capsule collection you'll be making. Are you going to make a seasonal wardrobe or an annual wardrobe? Seasonal is based on the season. It's going to be spring, summer, fall, winter. Winter is heavier, thicker, more layers, long sleeve, whereas summer is shorts, camis, tank tops. An annual wardrobe is basically what you can use for the whole year. I mean, annual makes sense. Also, it may make a difference the time of year you shop on what you will and will not be able to find. If you have an annual wardrobe that you're building, you may not be able to buy a jacket until October, December. I just skipped November. October, November, December, around that area. So just keep that in mind as you're purchasing things. So as for the challenge, I live in Southern California. So I will be building an annual. Will I be building an annual? I guess, yeah, I'll be building an annual collection or wardrobe. I will do jackets and coats just for the challenge because it is a challenge and I need some difficult pieces in there. But I would like to be able to wear the majority of it through the year, whether I have to layer it in winter or take a whole lot off in summer. Alright, the third thing you want to consider when purchasing things for a capsule collection is your personal style. What you like, what you don't like. You want your clothes and items to speak to each other. You're not going to go shopping for a nautical piece and then pick up a rock star fleece, like rock star piece. They need to mesh together so you can get that interchangeable aspect of the capsule wardrobe. As for me, I mentioned in the last video that I don't know what my style is. Well, I didn't know what it is, what it was, but I have since been on Pinterest because Pinterest is great and I love it so much. It's also a great way to procrastinate. I've been on Pinterest and I've put pictures together based on what I like and I feel my personal style is. So that's what I'm using to create. The fourth thing you want to consider is your lifestyle. This is very importante. I think all of these points are very importante, but your lifestyle does play a major role. Do you have to take care of children? Are you very active? Are you always on the go? Do you have a lot of business meetings? Whatever you do, your lifestyle is going to play a major role in the clothes that you choose to wear. My lifestyle, I'm a mom and I have a 9-to-5 job, so I have to be comfortable but also look, you know, kind of well put together. My job is very casual, so it's not that necessary for me to like look suited and booted all the time, but I have to keep that in mind. Like if I have a meeting, I have to look right, you know? The fifth thing you have to consider is your price and quality. You can buy an expensive t-shirt, you can buy a not expensive t-shirt, you can buy an expensive jacket or a not expensive jacket. You want to make sure that you know what you're spending money on. I'd suggest buying quality jackets and things that can have a long life. That's where you put your money towards, whereas a t-shirt, you can probably get those a dime a dozen, in all honesty. Just be mindful of where you're spending money. For the challenge, I'm more focused on the quality of the construction and what it looks like at the end of the day. My sister's broke, so this challenge will be expensive no matter what because I'm buying fabric. I am trying to be mindful of the fabrics I am buying because I'm trying to be more eco-conscious. Conscious, but at the end of the day, I'm broke. Higher quality will definitely be the jackets and the coat because I want those to last a long time. Like I'm really looking forward to making those, and so I want those to sustain through time no matter what happens. And the last thing you should consider when creating a capsule wardrobe are your shoes and accessories. These will create your ending looks to your outfit. Yes, you can match this jacket and that shirt and that skirt, but your shoes and your accessories will put the final touches on this look. You can honestly wear the same outfit and just change your shoes and it'll be a completely different outfit. That's how great shoes are. I love shoes. Shoes are great. I also love accessories, mainly big earrings. You want to make sure that they coordinate with your outfits. Whether you're going for a pop vibe or a monotone vibe, you want to make sure that aesthetically they go with your outfits. As for the challenge, I am not including shoes or accessories in my total number because I don't want to. I like shoes. I don't want to be limited. When I buy myself shoes, I will buy myself shoes because they're beautiful. I want to buy some boots. I will buy myself some boots, some red boots. I really want those red knee-high boots. I don't know. Can I pull them off? I don't know. Alright, so there you have it. I have explained what a capsule wardrobe actually is, and I've given you 6 things to consider when creating your own capsule wardrobe. I've also shared what direction I'm going in this whole DIY capsule challenge, and I'm kind of excited. Like I have clarity. I have clarity in where I'm going. Am I 100% sure what's about to go down? No, I'm not. But I feel confident. I really, really do. So if you want to be a part of this DIY capsule challenge, make sure you hit the subscribe button. To be notified when a video is posted, make sure you hit the bell. In the comments section, I want you to answer what you are excited to see me make or what you want me to make. Let me know in the comments below and I will consider your feedback. Next week, the challenge begins. I will be making a satin camisole. A satin tank top. I don't know. Satin spaghetti strap. Whatever. I don't need to be fancy. I am making one. So if you want to see how it's made, how I put it together from design concept to the end, make sure you tune in next week. Okay? Alright. Bye.